Hi, my name is Chef Sid Marshall, and this is it necessary to peel tomatoes for green tomato salsa verde? Salsa verde is made with tomatillos, which some people refer to as green tomatoes, when in actuality they're more closely related to gooseberries. You don't need to peel the tomatillos for your salsa verde, but it is important to take off the outer husk and make sure to wash them very well. We're going to throw them in a pan with about a cup of vegetable stock with some chopped yellow onion, some chopped jalapeno, a little bit of cilantro, some cumin, and some red chili. We're going to cook this for about 15 to 20 minutes. Then we're going to take an immersion blender to puree it. You could also do this in a blender. And there you have it. It's not necessary to peel your tomatoes for green tomato salsa verde.